Hello viewers, this Not Too Fast here. Now when I first got this car a year ago, I did a video on installing these window visors that you see right here. Now with this one, there's a chrome trim that runs across the top of the window visor. And if you look closely, you'll see the chrome surface is peeling. It looks really bad. So in this video, I'm actually going to fix this by removing this chrome trim that's on the window visor. I'll show you how to remove this trim and also install a new one. So let's get started. Before I begin, let me show you a closer look at the chrome trim you see right here. All along the entire surface is cracking and peeling. Same thing with the rear one. In fact, all four of these visors are having the same issue. This chrome trim is actually an insert that you can remove. Here I have a small flathead screwdriver. And I'll just carefully pry this up. And you see this comes off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this off. When you're replacing a trim like this, you need to measure the width of this strip. And this one I have here measures 12 millimeter or half an inch. And while I have this in front of the camera, I'll show you. You can see it's flaking and it's peeling. And let me show you the new one that I'll be installing. This one is made by the company Cowles Custom. And this is actually made in USA. And the double-sided tape on the back is made by 3M. Now looking at the package, you see it says it's UV protected for long life. So this one is a much more better quality than the one that came with a window deflector. Also to let you know, if you want to buy this chrome trim, it does come in different width. So this one I have here is half an inch. They also sell one that's 1/4 inch wide or even 1 inch wide. Now before you install the new one, make sure you clean this surface right here. And in this bottle I have some rubbing alcohol. We'll spray it on a towel. And clean this thoroughly. So here's a look side by side with a new one on the right and the old one on the left. Both of these are half an inch wide. If I stack on top, you see they're the same width. Now the front edge of this trim is angled. I'll match the same angle and cut it. Next I'll peel off the backing on double-sided tape. I'll start by inserting this edge into this corner right here. Once it's inserted, then I'll press this down. Continue pulling back this red backing and press this down. Now once you get to the end, I'm going to cut this off. Now I'm going to tuck this end into the slot and push this down. Now the front one is done. I'll pan the camera over to the back one and you'll see the difference. Now remove the chrome trim on the back one. And just like the front one, clean the surface. Now install the new one. And now the rear one is done. Now just repeat the same procedure on the other side. On the passenger side, I've already removed the old one and cleaned the surface. Right here is a new one. Here's a look at the window visor after replacing the chrome trim. I know these ones will last a lot longer than the original one. It wasn't difficult to replace these trim. So if you have a Nissan Rogue with a similar issue, I hope you found this video to be helpful. Now if you want to pick up a roll of the chrome trim, I'll include the link in the video description below. I hope you enjoy watching this video. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.